Here I have VIVO IQOO U3, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open upper bar here, and here you can find the button eye protection, which is basically just the night mode. So as you can see, after I switch it, screen turns slightly yellow. By holding a finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change this yellow color intensity. Okay, so yeah, you can do it like this. You can also set up a schedule for this mode. You can just set it from sunset to sunrise, or you can set up a custom schedule here. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.